Your body needs to get some polish, okay? I'm making some body polish. Normally, when I'm making my body polish, I use clay, okay? I use all clay. So today, I'm gonna be doing the same thing that I've been doing for myself. Like, all my secrets coming out now. Like, my secrets are out and about, okay? So I'm using all clays today, like all natural clay. I have some Moroccan red clay over here. I have some French green clay powder over here. I also have some bentonite clay and some yellow kaolin clay. All our secrets are out and about. So these are some of my secret ingredients that I've been using for myself. But I have to share with y'all the things that y'all are doing for me, the love and support that you guys gives me. It's like no others. So now, as we all know, I got my hands on the Crafter Choice Foaming Bath Whip, the tradition. I love this base. Like, I use it once and I'm already sold. Like, I am in love with this base. Without further ado, stop the rumbling and jump right into this video, okay? All right. So hold on. Where am I going with no gloves? Where? So I'm not making a big batch because I don't want to. Mostly I'm gonna be the one that will use the whole thing up. I might share with somebody or share with a friend or so. I'm gonna be measuring out the quantity that I need. 1.5 ounces. Okay. So the first ingredient I'll be adding to this will be some honey powder. Wonder why you want me by your side. So the next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be some vitamin E oil. Okay. And I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of some glycerin. Now that I've added all of that, the next item I'll be adding in here will be some liquid German Plus. Because we'll be coming in contact with a lot of water, I decided to add a preservative as well. We don't want no more growing in our whip soap or our body polish and all of that. So we have to preserve. Give it a good mix. My cute little hand mixer that I just got, I'm about to show off with it. So guys, I'm so sorry. My memory card was filled. I had no choice but to change it. So I'm back. Where were we? Okay, I was about to show off with my new little hand mixer that I just got. It is so pretty and I can't wait to show it to y'all. So look here, hold on. Beautiful, right? But this one looks so cool. Like, look here, it can sit down like this. I don't have to lay it back down on the floor and all of that. So this is a plus. It has 3 different levels. That's what I love about it. It's so cute, guys. But anyway, enough of me showing myself. Let's do this. Okay, guys, see? That's how it's looking, man. I love it. I'm still thinking which fragrance oil to put in here, but we shall see. Okay. It didn't double up in size or nothing, but Yep. The next ingredient I will be adding in here will be some fragrance oil. This one is called champagne and snow shower. I'm just gonna mix it in one last time, and then we'll get the ball rolling. Stand hand mix-up is so helpful. Like, I could just set it down in no time. Like, guys, I'm not whipping it anymore. I'm just gonna be splitting it now in my different bowls and stuff, just to be able to color it. And like I said, I'm naturally coloring them. I'm not putting any mica or whatever in it. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting my Moroccan red clay powder in the first one. So guys, I don't know what's going on with my camera and all of that, but it's really, really annoying me. Yeah. But I'm not gonna give up just yet. I think I put a little too much. So I have to be careful with the next one. But anyway, this is complete goodness in here. Like, it don't matter how much you put in here, you just want to reap the benefits of everything that this clay have to offer. Guys, normally the soap base has a preservative in it, but because I added different stuff in it as well, and then I just want to be extra careful, it's the right thing to do. I'm just gonna be taking a little bit. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so. So the next one I'm using is a yellow kaolin clay. Just gonna... You like I, can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. So you see, both of them just look alike. I'm going to be adding the green French clay. I just added some pink French clay. I'm done with the entire mixing process, so it's time for us to pipe up our body polish. Oops. Okay. All right. So I'm just spraying out my press and seal, some glam press and seal. Guys, I love using the press and seal method because it gives me the best results ever. So yeah. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make I just love the way it looks. I have my beautiful jars clean, ready, and sanitized. I'm gonna start with the 8-ounce first and see how that goes. So we're gonna start like this, okay? I just spilled it. All right, let's go. Can you see me? Gonna go like that. Oh my God, make a beautiful color. Ooh, man. Oh man. Guys, look here. Are you serious right now? You're not gonna focus for this beauty? What a shame. Tell you the truth, this camera is a hitter. I'm just gonna put it that way. It's a hitter, okay? It wanna steal my joy away from me. But I'm gonna go like that. Guys, look here. It's not a lot of green because I made a green in the middle, but you can never beat this. For the first big glove. Ooh, free time. Ooh, I should have put the green on the side. It's like the green is hitting. I'm gonna do that with the next bash, okay? Now let's put our itty bitty one right here, like so, and ooh. All right. Okay, guys. Beautiful body polish, right? Here, this is how it's looking. I'm sure it will come out a little different from the first one, so let's see. Okay. I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna go like so. It's not that different. It's not much of a difference. It's not that different, y'all. Oh, I think the green is just, oh, guys, I just love it. The smell, though, the smell. Okay, guys, I think I've overfilled this, so this one have to be mine and all of that. Yes, I'm gonna polish this body. So I'm just gonna put that away and I'm gonna bring these on board, okay? So out of this batch, we made 2 8 ounces. Even this, the one is overflowing. 2 4 ounces and 2 2 ounces. This is beautiful, right? This is how we do it. Hey. So guys, yes, I could never be any happier. Like, it's everything, man. It's everything. It's everything, guys. It smells so good and delicious. I just want to eat it, but it's just good for the body, okay? It's yummy for the body. This body polish is all clay, and you already know what clay does for the skin. It detoxifies. It's good. Like, this is complete spa grade. I'm just gonna put it that way. I'm just happy for the project, okay? I don't know what I would call this on YouTube. Hopefully something, a nice phrase comes to my mind to, I don't know what the title would be, but we shall see. Okay, guys, we shall see. Okay, guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. And until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.